Electrical receptacle installation requirements. Figura 210.52, C1. Determination of area behind a range, countermounted cooking unit, or sink. Receptacle outlets, if installed to serve an island or peninsular countertop or work surface, shall be installed in accordance with 210.52, C3. If a receptacle outlet is not provided to serve an island or peninsular countertop or work surface, provisions shall be provided at the island or peninsula for future addition of a receptacle outlet to serve the island or peninsular countertop or work surface. Receptacle outlets shall be located in one or more of the following: on or above, but not more than 500 milímetros, 20 pulgadas, above, a countertop or work surface. 2. In a countertop using receptacle outlet assemblies listed for use in countertops. 3. In a work surface using receptacle outlet assemblies listed for use in work surfaces or listed for use in countertops. Receptacle outlets rendered not readily accessible by appliances fastened in place, appliance garages, sinks, or range boxes covered in 210.52, C1. Exception número 1. For appliances occupying assigned spaces shall not be considered as these required outlets. Informational note número 1. See 406.5a for installation of receptacles in countertops and 406.5 for installation of receptacles in work surfaces. See 380.10 for installation of multi-outlet assemblies. Informational note número 2. See informative Annex J and ENSI/ICC 117.1-2009, Standard on Accessible and Usable Buildings and Facilities, for additional information. See informative Annex J and ENSI/ICC 117.1-2009, Standard on Accessible and Usable Buildings and Facilities, for additional information. See informative Annex J and ENSI/ICC 117.1-2009, Standard on Accessible and Usable Buildings and Facilities, for additional information. At least one receptacle outlet shall be installed in bathrooms within 900 milímetros, 3 pies, of the outside edge of each sink. The receptacle outlet shall be located on a wall or partition that is adjacent to the sink or sink countertop, located on the countertop, or installed on the side or face of the sink cabinet. In no case shall the receptacle be located more than 300 milímetros, 12 pulgadas, below the top of the sink or sink countertop. Receptacle outlet assemblies listed for use in countertops shall be permitted to be installed in the countertop. Informational note. See 406.5a and 406.5k for requirements on installation of receptacles in countertops. Outdoor receptacle outlets shall be installed in accordance with 210.52 A1 through A3. For a one-family dwelling and each unit of a two-family dwelling that is at grade level, at least one receptacle outlet readily accessible from grade and not more than 2.0 m, 61/2 foot, above grade level shall be installed at the front and back of the dwelling. For a one-family dwelling and each unit of a two-family dwelling that is at grade level, at least one receptacle outlet readily accessible from grade and not more than 2.0 m, 61/2 foot, above grade level shall be installed at the front and back of the dwelling. For a one-family dwelling and each unit of a two-family dwelling that is at grade level, at least one receptacle outlet readily accessible from grade and not more than 2.0 m, 61/2 foot, above grade level shall be installed at the front and back of the dwelling. For each dwelling unit of a multifamily dwelling where the dwelling unit is located at grade level and provided with individual exterior entrance/diagonal at least one receptacle outlet readily accessible from grade and not more than 2.0 m, 61/2 foot, above grade level shall be installed. Balconies, decks, and porches that are within 102 milímetros, 4 pulgadas, horizontally of the dwelling unit shall have at least one receptacle outlet accessible from the balcony, deck, or porch. The receptacle outlet shall not be located more than 2.0 m, 61/2 foot, above the balcony, deck, or porch walking surface. In dwelling units, at least one receptacle outlet shall be installed in areas designated for the installation of laundry equipment. Exception número 1. A receptacle for laundry equipment shall not be required in a dwelling unit of a multifamily building where laundry facilities are provided on the premises for use by all building occupants. Exception número 2. A receptacle for laundry equipment shall not be required in other than one-family dwellings where laundry facilities are not to be installed or permitted. For one- and two-family dwellings, and multifamily dwellings, at least one receptacle outlet shall be installed in the areas specified in 210.52 G1 through G3. These receptacles shall be in addition to receptacles required for specific equipment. Receptacles supplying only a permanently installed premises security system shall not be considered as meeting these requirements. In each attached garage and in each detached garage with electric power, at least one receptacle outlet shall be installed in each vehicle bay and not more than 1.7 metros, 51/2 foot, above the floor. Exception. Garage spaces not attached to an individual dwelling unit of a multifamily dwelling shall not require a receptacle outlet in each vehicle bay. In each accessory building with electric power. In each separate unfinished portion of a basement. In dwelling units, hallways of 3.0 m, 10 pies, or more in length shall have at least one receptacle outlet. As used in this subsection, the hallway length shall be considered the length along the center line of the hallway without passing through a doorway. Foyers that are not part of a hallway in accordance with 210.52 AT, and that have an area that is greater than 5.6 metros cuadrados, 60 square feet, shall have a receptacle, S, located in each wall space 900 milímetros, 3 pies, or more in width. Doorways, doorside windows that extend to the floor, and similar openings shall not be considered wall space.